In this video, I'll show you how to cast off in pattern. Stay with me and I'll show you how. We might want to cast off in pattern when we're working with a combination of knit and purl stitches, such as this cable stitch or a rib stitch. We might do this as a way to cleanly finish off our edge, which will follow the pattern. We can see here on this rib stitch, the cast off carries on the zigzag shape of the rest of the knit. On this other example, where I've just used the standard knitted cast off, we can see we just have a straight edge and it has slightly distorted the top of the work compared to this much neater finish. So let's get started. For this demonstration, I've made this little cable stitch, and my pattern is 2 knit stitches, 3 purl stitches, 6 knit stitches, 3 purls and 2 knit stitches. We begin by knitting the 2 stitches following our pattern. For me that's 2 knit stitches, but if your pattern starts with 2 purls or 1 knit and 1 purl, you would knit them in that way. But my pattern starts with 2 knit stitches, so I'm going to knit the first 2. And to begin casting off, I pick up the first stitch and slip it over the second. The next stitch in my pattern is a purl stitch, so we bring the yarn to the front, purl the stitch, and we want to cast off this first stitch, but our yarn's in the way, so we bring the yarn to the back, we pick up the first stitch and slip it over the second. Our next stitch in the pattern is another purl, so we bring our yarn back to the front, purl the stitch, bring the yarn to the back, bring the first loop over the second to cast off that stitch. We come to another purl stitch, so we bring our yarn to the front, purl the stitch, bring the yarn to the back and slip the first stitch over the second. Now I've come to more knit stitches in my pattern, so the yarn can stay at the back. Knit the next stitch, pick up the first stitch and slip it over the second. We carry on along the row, knitting or purling according to our pattern, keeping the yarn at the back for knit stitches, bringing it to the front for purl stitches, and bringing the yarn to the back to cast off the stitch. And when we come to the final stitch, we snip the yarn and pull that through the loop. And that's how to cast off in pattern.